All right, we're gonna work on number 9. Number 9 is probably technically the most challenging one we're gonna do. So I'm gonna make a sketch for number 9. And the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna draw my 8x5 box. So 8, enter, disappears. I'm gonna click front, by 5. So I make the box. And then I need to make a line across the bottom here. That's 1 inch up. Okay. Now I need to make a circle in here that is 2 inches. Circle's 2 inches. And that circle is 2 inches from each edge. So the center point of the circle, if we grab it, it's 2 inches from each edge. So it's 2 inches from the side and hold on here. Let me drag that up. Why not? No, it's not letting me do what I want to do, so I'm going to delete it. Because I want it spaced in a particular way. Okay. So 2 inches from the side, 2 inches from the top. And then we've got to draw a circle. And we can just draw it up so it hits the top. Okay? Good. Now, we also need to draw a line from somewhere on this edge up until it hits the circle. And this line is going to be 1 inch from the edge. So from there to the edge is 1 inch. And we need to make sure we're using this tool here called tangent next to dimensions under constraints. If it's not popping up, go to constraints and look for it. We want the tangent tool, and we're going to click this line and then click the circle. And that's very important. You have to do that. Okay. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to go to the trim tool. If you've never used it, it is right here, and we're going to hit X as the hotkey for trim tool, and we're going to trim here, here, and here. And it looks like we're going to trim here too. Okay, so that's got all of our dimensions in there trimmed. This is looking correct right now. And then we are going to finish this sketch. Now there's 2 ways to go about this. I could actually sketch this, the 4, and then I could share this sketch, which is what I think I'm going to do. I'm going to right click on it and go share sketch. And that brings it up here. And then I can go to extrude and I can actually use it again and only extrude it 1 inch. And that is probably the easiest way to go about this, where just in case you missed it, what I did was I did extrude, and I extruded this one first, 4 inches, and that makes the sketch go away. But if I right click on it, if I expand here and right click and go to share sketch, it'll make it come back so I can actually use that sketch again. And then I only go 1, okay? And then the last part's relatively simple. We're going to fill it just like in the last drawing. I'm going to select these 2 corners, and the fillet is going to be 1. And that is it. This is here. We can actually remove the visibility if we click on it, so it looks good. And that is number 9. So hope that was helpful.